So the next version I'm gonna be doing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana for those that don't know me. And today I am finally making a luxury related video. I haven't made any luxury related videos in like 3 months now, and I apologize for anyone that was looking forward to that when it comes to my channel. I've been really busy and it's just, yeah, I don't really have any real excuses for it, minus being busy. But anyway, here we are today, and I'm gonna finally be unboxing a prize I've won. So this is a Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch that's in here. I won this from the beautiful Trina Monty, and she is a luxury YouTuber. She's super sweet, and you should check out her video. I will be linking her down below. I actually won this a while ago, and I received this I think about a month ago or so. I haven't unboxed it this entire time because I want to do it in front of the camera, and at one point a couple days ago I asked my friends on Instagram if I should just go ahead unbox it by myself and just later on film what can fit in the cosmetic pouch, or if I should go ahead and film me unbox it. And a lot of people prefer me actually unboxing the cosmetic pouch in front of the camera. So I'm gonna do that for you guys today. And after that, I'm gonna also show what fits in the bag. There'll be two versions. I'm gonna be doing one where I will use it as a cosmetic pouch. So I'm just gonna be fitting in what I would fit in if I used to put all my makeup in it. And the second way is if I decide to use it as a bag, and what I would put in it if I was to carry it out and have it function as a bag rather than a cosmetic pouch. So let's get unboxing. And I also apologize if the lighting is a little off. It's really dark here right now, and it is what it is. I don't have any lighting, so I apologize. And I also have another Louis Vuitton bag just sitting there. That's actually from my first Louis Vuitton. This is like my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase in Japan. Unfortunately, I don't have that bag here because it's sitting in Melbourne instead. Oh my god, finally unboxing it. I honestly felt like I didn't have this for a month now because I haven't unboxed it. It was just sitting in its packaging this entire time. And here you go. How exciting! This is my first ever SLG. I don't have any other SLGs in my collection. I primarily have bags and some other accessories here and there, but this is my first ever SLG. This is what you can see that fits inside. So I'm going to be putting in all the products that I am wearing today. I have this VDL face primer and foundation. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put my mascara. I'm going to put in a blush, eyeshadow primer, concealer, bronzer. I'm going to put in eyeshadow cream. Honestly, it's actually quite stuffed already. I still have 3 more products. This is like a mini version of the Benefit highlighter. See how super stuffed that is. This is eyebrows, eyebrow powder. I have a lipstick left but I don't think I can zip this all up. Let me try. No. So if you have a lot of makeup or full-size products, it doesn't fit everything, unfortunately. Especially my foundation and my face primer. It's probably taking up the most space right now. And this is not including things that I would normally carry with me, which would be like brushes and sponge. And because I use like a foundation sponge normally to put in as well. This is just products alone without any of that. Because you can see that just with that, with the primer and the foundation alone, it takes up that much space. So if I was to remove the primer and put everything else back in, let's see if it all fits. Okay, so it just barely fit everything once I removed the primer. And as you can see, it's a little distorted because it's quite stuffed. So I highly recommend, if you decide to use this cosmetic pouch, especially if you're traveling, just best to use products that are travel sized. So the next version that I would be doing is if I treat this like a bag. I'm gonna put a link below where Tarina actually converted her cosmetic pouch into a bag by inserting D-rings in these little holes here, and then have a strap attached to it. And I think I would probably be doing that after all, just because I do have a lot of cosmetic pouches already, and this isn't big enough to fit the normal makeup that I usually have, just because I have so much. I'd rather carry this like as a cute little crossbody if I can anyway. And I would be using the strap from my LV Palace clutch, which I'll insert a photo here. And unfortunately, I don't have that right now on me because, like I said earlier, it's in Australia, and actually half of my luxury collection is in Australia, just because originally I was going to be moving back to Australia with my boyfriend who's living there, but because of COVID, I'm not going back there until next year. So until then, half of my collection is just chilling in Australia without me. So yeah. So I'm going to be putting in the stuff I would be carrying if I treat this as a small bag. So I have my card holder, so I have quite a bit of cards in there stuffed. My coin purse, so it has my bills and my coins in here. I also need my blotting sheets. This is essential to my life. Hand sanitizer. I thought I'll squeeze in my reusable bubble tea straw as well, if that can go in. If it doesn't, then gotta take that out. Oh, okay, seems okay so far. My phone charger. So quite stuffed. However, I can still zip everything up. It does pretty much deform the bag because it's quite overstuffed at the top. I would remove the hand sanitizer. Okay, so after removing the hand sanitizers and readjusting everything, this is how it all looks like. And ta-da, all normal. Isn't that great? I didn't put in my phone because I normally carry that, but if you want to take a look, I'll just quickly grab it. I have my iPhone 7. It has a case with a pop socket. Still fits my phone. Oh, I think if I readjust it, it wouldn't be as deformed, but yeah, it does fit my phone if I decide to shove it in here as well. So my battery is dying, so I'm just gonna quickly wrap it up. I want to quickly thank Tarina again for this amazing giveaway. I can't wait to use the cosmetic pouch. Unfortunately, I won't be using that as a bag until I return to Melbourne just because I don't have my strap on me. But for now, I'll probably just like have it on my vanity and have it look pretty. And yeah, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, whichever. It would help me know that I should make more videos. Otherwise, I hope to see you again very soon. Have a great one. Bye, guys.